tire back out of all of them.
Okay,
They
she
all
needs
look at
hers.
him.
Do you have a camera?
Yes, I do.
Here's my
I
camera.
have that. This one's camera right here.
Well, that one's... Okay. Oh, I'm bouncing it.
Hello.
Okay, that's yours.
Which one is this?
Okay, this one's yours, right?
Yes.
Okay. And oh, hey, Gentle, he's claimed you.
Yeah, yeah. Don't back up. He's coming with you. Okay? So if he's gonna rub the top of your head with his neck, just stand there. Because if you back up, he's gonna come with. Hey, buddy.
Gentle. Okay, I don't have hers.
You just roll in and meet again.
This is yours.
That's okay.
I got it. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good boy.
Oh,
That's cute.
oh, and you.
See, he likes to claim the women.
You don't like me. What
Oh boy, you took off that fast.
That was pretty cute.
Go see the lady.
She's Sony. She's Sony, right?
Come over here, boy.
You Sony or
I'm
she?
Candy.
Okay. Dang! You need to. That's the alpha. He claimed you. Do I have any of yours over here? Jason does. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I want this one.
That's the alpha. Just pet his chest. He'll come.
Hey, buddy.
Washtimashi. Walala. Walala. Sigani.
No, put the
Wagala.
snip and said forget it.
Okay, this is going to be good. Don't be scared. Okay, doggone it. That was going to be a good picture.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alpha says back away.
Yep. He claimed you.
Gentle. I know. He's a healer. If he pokes you, then you need to go to the doctor and find out what's wrong there.
He really clunks you, doesn't he?
I'll stop him.
Hi.
You don't have to. You can back up.
It's okay.
Oh, good.
Cute. Yes.
Okay, hers is.
Oh, somebody wants a belly rub. You're kind of dirty, though.
Now you girls go over there and sit, and he'll come over there.
Oh, here?
Yeah. Then he'll stop that pounding.